have the program apart from chanting, okay, apart from chanting to welcome New Year. I set the program that we should have discussions about Buddhism, just like nowadays many foreigners come to our temple. What I have heard, I get to know with the guide let them and advise them to come to the temple. They just tell them about the traditions and culture of Thailand only. Usually we should introduce them about the basic knowledge about Buddhism also. That's why they should know. That's why I have set this program that apart from chanting, I would like to invite foreigners to come and join us. Any questions about Buddhism? Just only basic, okay? Just only basic. You can ask us. What do we mean? Hello, you can join us. Huh? Any question you can ask, okay? Oh, I open this stage. This place for all of you, especially for foreigners. You are from? Yes,
I'm from Russia.
From Russia. How long have you been in Thailand?
For 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
2
And
weeks.
I'm here first time.
The first time you come to Thailand. You just come for visiting, to visit, or to have friends here.
To visit and to see a lot of tradition, also to see a lot of cultural monuments or art, for example.
Apart from Bangkok, where did you go?
Where
You have been somewhere apart from Bangkok? Have gone to Chiang Mai, Phuket, or something like that? Just only in Bangkok.
first we visit Pattaya and then we arrived here.
I see. First you visit Pattaya.
Yes.
You know that Thailand is the land of smile.
Yes, of course.
The land of smile. And also the land of Buddhism.
Yes.
The land of Buddhism. 90% of populations of Thai people, they believe in Buddhism. They believe in Buddhism. Do you have knowledge about Buddhism before? What do you think about Buddhism?
Little bit.
A little bit.
From
How much do you know?
in percent? I don't know.
Yeah, at the present. Do you know the Lord Buddha? Yes, Tan Ching. That Ching has come. Hello. Tan Upatut. Yes. Tan Ambassador, come here. Come. Yes, you can bring your car, come inside the temple, the area of the temple. What do you mean by Buddhism, according to you?
At first, I want to maybe tell a short story about my first impression, maybe
Yes.
about Buddhism, because I'm grown up in Slavic culture and in cathedral in Russia, in Christian and
Yes.
I'm just forgetting.
I got to know that many Russians also believe in
And
Buddhism.
in church, a lot of, I mean, not sad faces, but it makes you feel like greedy, maybe. But if you're a child, of course. But when I first time saw in real temple
Yes.
Buddhism, I was so inside happy and feel like a
Feel happy, exciting, you mean?
yeah. I mean, a lot of smiling faces on the faces of
On the Thai people.
Yeah. That's why, and it's very good.
Very good. That's why the Thailand is named as the land of smile. Do you know land of smile means they don't know how to speak English. That's why they smile only. Now today we have AI. Okay, you can easily translate into English or into any language. Very easy. Even we are listening to the Dhamma talk in Thai, it can automatically translate into English or your own language automatically. I got to know that Madam, she tried to translate into her own language by, what do they say, AI, something like that. That's why Lord Buddha, the teaching of Lord Buddha, they have 84,000 topics, okay? But when we try to summarize, it has just only 3 main topics. The first one is called in Pali, is Sappha Pasakarana, means try to avoid from doing the bad thing, unwholesome, okay? And the second one is called Kusala Supa Sampatha, or try to do the good thing. And the third one is very, very important. We can say that the Buddhist heritage, its uniqueness for Buddhism, means the Lord Buddha advised us to how do we purify our mind. In Pali, it is called Satita Pariyottamana. This one is uniqueness. I can frankly or simply say that the uniqueness of Buddhism means we are focusing on the mind of the people. We believe that the human beings can be divided into 2 parts. First body, after that mind. Okay. Mind is very important. We try to control our mind, which is called try to practice meditation. When many foreigners come to Thailand, they always ask, how do we make or practice meditation? Usually meditation can be classified into 2 main types. The first one is called tranquil meditation. In Pali it's called Samatha Kammatthana. Okay? And the second type is called Vipassana meditation or insight meditation. This is very important. Many foreigners ask me that, do you believe in extra supernature or the fortune or whatsoever? Lord Buddha never denies about this one, but he mentioned that we should not be struck on this only. He never denied, but he says that this is not the way to lead to the cessation of suffering. That's why we are advised to practice ourselves to realize based on Vipassana meditation, to realize something about our nature, about our life, or something. Just as when we realize, we come to know that our life has been controlled by the 3 characteristics. The first one is called anicca, means impermanent. The second one is called Tukkha, means life is full of suffering. And the last one is called Anatta, means non-self. That's why the Buddha tried to summarize to just only three main things about the teachings of the Buddha. And also, the main teaching of the Buddha is called the Four Noble Truths. Have you heard about this one? Anyone, any foreigner, you heard about this one? The Four Noble Truths. The Four Noble Truths. Have you heard about this one? This is called Arya Satsi. In Thai, in Pali, they call Arya Satsi. Tuk Samuktai Nirod, marked in the Pali language. Lord Buddha is our life full of suffering because we did not practice based on the Four Noble Truths. Four Noble Truths start with the first one is suffering. We have to know about the suffering. And the second one is called the cause of suffering. The third one is the cessation of suffering. And the last one, the path leading to the cessation of suffering. Dukkha Samudaya Nirodha. This is the way to get rid of suffering if you try to practice it by practicing meditation. Any question? You just answer this just a simple question. Generally about the life of Lord Buddha, why the Thai people they believe in Buddhism, how do the Buddhism arise in Thailand or whatsoever?
Yeah, but I want to also ask you about feelings. People's feelings also not separate from mind, but mind will be higher than feelings. And mind are rule of people's feelings. That's right.
Our life is being controlled by the mind. Okay? According to Lord Buddha says, mind is very important. That's why you have to cultivate. You try to improve or try to purify your mind first. If your mind get problem, then everything get for everything you mean get clear everything. That's why mind is very important than the body. Okay, that's why Lord Buddha suggests us or try to encourage us how do we improve or strengthen our mind to be strong. Yeah, then we can face any problem. Then the Buddha has mentioned in Pali the Mano Bhupan Kama Mano Setha Mano Maya. If we translate into English, it means everything depends on our mind. Mind, wandering. Mind, the nature of mind is restless. In English, it's called restless. Not stand still. Not stand still. It means always wandering. Even you are sitting here, you may think of your own country, think of your friend, think here and there. They call wandering. Okay. It means not stay still. Restless, not stay still. That's why Lord Buddha says, if you want to get rid of problem or whatsoever, try to control your mind. And then you will realize what is the nature of our life or something like that. You cannot separate. We human beings have body and mind. That's why when the people spread loving kindness, they say that sapphe satta sukhi attanang pariharantu. Try to control your mind, have power to protect your own happiness, or something like that. Any question? Any question you may ask me, the foreigners. Yes. Would you like to know something about Buddhism? Yes. You are from where? Friends, translate. Okay. Speak English also? A little bit. She's from Russia. Can speak. What about you?
The French too.
Friends too. Any questions? Basic questions you may ask before we are going to play to start chanting. Do you know Thai all over the Thai temple all over Thailand right now? The people come and join together in order to pray. On today, the New Year Eve. Did you know that? New Year Eve. We pray farewell for the old year. ท่านพูดมาใช่ไหมโอเคท่านพูด we have the ambassador to China. He in charge of the culture and tradition. He stay in Thailand. He will join us today. Where is he? The ambassador to Thailand is from China. He will come. Any questions? Yes, you can ask. Any question? You are from China? Okay. Yes. I couldn't hear. Yes, come. If you not want to know about Buddhism, you may ask.
You
Yes,
can join us.
You can join us.
You can join us, yeah.
You can join us. It's okay, no problem.
Rest your mind.
Actually, I want to see Thailand.
It's okay. Then you just microphone put up here.
I think the modern society is very busy and everyone was controlled by work. And my best friend, he's Australian.
Yes.
He expressed very
He is passed away. No. Yeah, problem? Yes. The ambassador toท่านกล่าวกับญาติโยมสักหน่อยเนาะครับ
ท่านถูก
การนมัสการก็เรียนท่านผู้มีเกียรติทุกท่านนะฮะผมประทับใจมากที่ได้รับเชิญมาร่วมพิธีข้ามปี ซึ่งเป็นครั้งแรกในชีวิตผมที่ข้ามปีในวัดและก็รวมกับท่านเจ้าอาวาสซึ่งก็เป็นท่านที่รู้จักมา 20 ปีมากกว่า
20 ปีแล้ว
แต่เพราะว่าผมเป็นผู้วัฒนธรรมแต่ผู้ที่ประจำประเทศไทยอยู่ประเทศไทย30 กว่าปีนะชีวิตทำงานผมก็เกือบทั้งหมดเลยอยู่ในประเทศไทยก็เลยผมมีอารมณ์มีความรู้สึกก็เลยลึกซึ้งมากต่อประเทศไทยนะนี่ผมเนี่ยเราถึงอายุการเกษียณอยู่แล้วแต่ว่าใจของพวกเราผูกพันกับประเทศไทยก็ยังเป็นไปโดยความมาในจีนและก็ในไทยผมคิดเองว่าตอนที่อยู่ในระบบอยู่ในราชการเนี่ยผมก็ทำงานเพื่อราชการเพื่อกิจการที่ผมทำแต่จริงผ แต่เดี๋ยวนี้อยู่นอกระบบแล้วผมก็ต้องมีเวลาเลยอิสระทำกับพระทำในการพูดด้วย
เยี่ยมว่าเยี่ยมว่า
ครับก็เลยก่อนจะลาจากปี 2025ก็ตอนรับปีใหม่ 2026ก็ขออวยพรให้ทุกท่านนะคนมีสุขภาพแข็งแรงมีกิจการมีอะไรการเรียนก็ก้าวหน้านะในปีหน้า
ท่านทูตนี่รู้จักกันมาเกือบ3 ปี30 ปี He trained us we know each other for more than 30 years He live in Thailand ท่านทูตพูดภาษาอังกฤษไม่พูดภาษาจีนพูดภาษาจีนท่านให้ทุนแก่หลานสาวมินตราให้ไปเรียนที่ประเทศจีน
จะได้รักเมืองจีนมากเลยไม่ยอม
รักเมืองจีนขอบคุณท่านมากๆเลยนะหลานได้มีโอกาส เพราะฉะนั้นได้ทุนเนี่ย3 ท่านเนาะเป็นลูกหลานจากห้างเซ็นทรัลคนหนึ่ง แล้วก็เป็นลูกหลานท่านสสหนองคายนะแล้วก็เป็นหลานอาตมาคน3 คนเขาถามว่าโอ้คนรวยแล้วทำไมรับทุนเขาบอกว่าการได้รับทุนมันเป็นเกียรตินะเป็นเกียรติประวัติเนาะเป็นทุนรัฐบาลเป็น government scholarship ก็เลยมาเป็นเกียรติบางทีเขาบอกว่าคนรวยแล้วก็มารับทุนเนี่ยเขาไม่ได้คิดอย่างนั้นเพราะว่าเขาคิดว่าการได้รับทุนเนี่ยมันถือเป็นเครดิตนะมันก็หลายปีมาละ yes
ปีนั้นก็10 ปีแล้ว
2016 นะ Is any question that you ask something? No. Okay, thank you very much. Join us. Okay, we start to play the chants, give blessings, and also you wish for your New Year. Today, as we know that the New Year Eve. That's why the New Year is about to come ahead, 1 hour ahead, okay? And try to concentrate your mind, which what the New Year is coming. Try to concentrate your mind and dedicate yourselves that whatever you want to get prosperity, happiness in your life. Even get good health or whatsoever. Okay? The monk will chant last for almost 1 hour. If you know, just follow them. Try to chant at the same time with them. Otherwise, just try to concentrate your mind. You can sit here or you can come inside. เดี๋ยวเขาเชิญท่านเข้าไปข้างในเนาะท่านอยู่ถึง6 ทุ่มเนาะได้เนาะค่ำคืนแล้วถึง1พอถึง6ไม่ได้ถึงที่1ถึง6 ทุ่มก็6 ทุ่ม 2 นาที 5 นาทีก็พอดีนะสาธุ